Hello, today I will introduce the installation of this sheet label cutter. First, we open the package and see the cutter. This cutter adopts a one-piece mounting method. We just need to loosen this screw and take it out. Hook the catch tray first, loosen the screws and tighten them again. Then it won't fall down. Open the fold and the catch tray is ready. Then just open the inflate table extension. When you put the paper, just adjust this to fit different size of paper. It should be noted that each of the press wheels should correspond to the position of the steel wheels below. If the new machine has a cable tie, cut it off to make sure the cutting head can move slowly. And then the wheel lock should be pulled down. Then plug in the power cord. And check if there is still foam on the machine. If everything is okay, let's turn on the machine. This light will light up when you turn on the machine. Then close the top cover. Usually you don't need to open it. Finally, the machine is installed.